Welcome back to the final episode of our 2023 Croatia spring trip. If you've missed the earlier episodes, please check them out in the description. I will be putting a link down there. Riding up the Adriatic coast towards Italy was fun. Good roads, smooth curves, and the joy of riding with the sun hidden behind the clouds. As you can see, there was not much car traffic. But man, I can tell you there was a lot of bikers and biker groups on this road. I think we've met around 100 of them. Croatia never ceases to amaze me. Its coastal landscape is simply amazing. While I was lost in the thrill of riding these curves, I don't think my passenger enjoyed it as much as I did.
Dacă vrei. Ha? Să bem niște apă.
These water and smoke breaks, as I call them, I think are essential, especially if you want to cover over 500 kilometers in a day.
Stai că-ți dau eu. De ce? Ai ținut-o cu închis? Uite aici. Și tu, auzi, da. Tu n-auzi muzica? Da? Mi-am dat serios, puiu. În fine, lacuri și marea se combină între ele. Și ăla-i cârc. Și la cârc. Ula-i pe cârc. Grafic corect.
The plan was to get to visit Venice if we are in the area, as both haven't seen it in some years. First, we had to pass briefly through Slovenia, as there is no border between Croatia and Italy. As it's part of Schengen, we don't need to stop for border control between these countries.
Slovenia.
Slovenia for me is a green paradise. Riding through it, it's always refreshing and I enjoy it very, very much. Venice was on our list, but with the May 1st crowd and the heat, it was more about navigating through tourists than enjoying the canals and the streets. Oh, and not to mention the struggle of carrying our jackets in the heat and humidity.
Un caffè italiano.
Our journey to the French coast was a wet one, and with my GoPro running out of space, capturing it all became a challenge. Here is Ventimiglia, the gateway to the French Riviera. Up next, Monte Carlo.
Uite, ăla e Dan Bilzerian. Sau ălălalt e Dan Bilzerian. Sala Urchinaona. Uite-l. Merge ăsta? Ce aici, mă? Stau subteran?
While we were trying to find the Monte Carlo casino, we got stuck a bit through the maze-like road system.
Nouă morți, mătii. Ne-am întors de unde am plecat. Observi? De la Birin.
Between the bike getting overheated, a full SD card in the GoPro, and 1 week before the GP, Monaco was quite an adventure.
Da, dar mergem la casino.
And the ride back to Barcelona was peaceful but fun.